Welcome back to Sukkha House YouTube channel. Today, we are excited to dive into a remarkable architectural marvel, the Sukkha House, designed by OON Architecture. In this video review, we will explore the design concepts, material palette, and the overall experience of this extraordinary residence. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Sukkha House is a testament to OON Architecture's creative vision and meticulous attention to detail. The design concept revolves around seamlessly integrating vertical and horizontal elements, resulting in a harmonious blend of form and function. The architects have masterfully crafted a living space that not only pushes the boundaries of conventional architecture, but also establishes a strong connection between the interior and exterior. Sukkha House, designed by OON Architecture, was built in a gated community located in the northern region of Buenos Aires. The volume of the building consists of two pieces that depict the formal simplicity of the design. There is the intention of discovering the house's own voice, based on the use of bright volumes that rest one on top of the other. Pure forms with the possibility of being slid without meeting anything but total emptiness, creating habitable spaces. Photography by Alejandro Peral. One of the standout features of the Sukkha House is its carefully composed material palette. OON Architecture has selected materials that not only enhance the overall aesthetic, but also contribute to the sensory experience of the inhabitants. The choice of materials reflects a deep understanding of their visual and tactile qualities. From warm natural wood finishes to sleek metal accents, every element has been thoughtfully incorporated to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. The planes and volumes appear without any openings or interruptions. Instead, some of their sides dematerialized and merge with big virtual surfaces and large glazed panels, thus preserving the continuity of slabs and walls to create envelopes. The main volume of the upper floor rests on top of another on the ground level, which generates an empty space for the social uses area of the house. The functions of the building are organized around a central axis that begins with the introduction of the access, characterized by a series of elements that soothe the transition between the outside and the inside of the house. At the front, we meet a slab with a rectangular opening that invites us to look at the sky on the way to the door and, by doing so, suggests the presence of the upper floor volume. The Sukkha House blurs the boundaries between the inside and outside, allowing residents to truly immerse themselves in their natural surroundings. Expansive windows and strategically placed skylights flood the interior spaces with an abundance of natural light, creating a serene and airy atmosphere. The clever use of glass walls and sliding doors effortlessly extends the living areas to the outdoor spaces, further enhancing the connection with nature. At the same time, a suspended concrete partition accompanies the experience and prepares us to enter the house by giving a glimpse of the surrounding vegetation. The whole time, the designed sunscreen visually limits the patio and enlarges the upper level. The shading screen not only constitutes but also unifies the front and rear facades, thus consolidating a volume that reflects a strong architectural concept. The program was developed around the 4 indoor and semi-open patios, which organize the spaces as well. These uncovered areas lengthen the visuals, gather light, provide cross-ventilation, and offer the possibility of incorporating the green spaces and landscape into the most intimate parts of the house. The exposed concrete plays a decisive role and shapes the main envelope of the building. Beyond its stunning aesthetics, the Sukkha House excels in providing functional spaces that cater to the needs of modern living. The layout is intelligently designed to maximize the use of available space while maintaining a sense of openness and flow. Each room has a purposeful placement, and the integration of smart home technology ensures convenience and efficiency. As regards the slabs that support the structure, plain formwork was used to achieve an even finish and to highlight the horizontal planes. For the upper floor, formwork made up of 3-foot wooden planks was used to provide an uneven finish as a result of the different shades marked by the pattern of the material. The palette offers warmth and movement to the obsessive straight lines that shape the house. The concrete elements always rest on top of either crushed stone volumes or light wide flange beams that connect the different parts. While providing an ethereal air, this effect of weightlessness is stressed by the big eaves and cantilevers. The presence of the wood contributes to the feelings of lightness and warmth. The wooden elements provide transparencies and spatial insinuations inside a cubic and precise volume, as if implying an intended contradiction. The combination of materials and the continuity of vertical and horizontal elements enhance the dematerialization of boundaries. At all times, the indoor floorings become part of the outdoor patios and the internal ceilings expand and merge with the outdoor spaces in the shape of big eaves, thus giving a sense of continuity that prevails. In conclusion, the Sukkha House by OON Architecture is a true masterpiece that encapsulates the perfect balance between architectural innovation and functional living. The seamless integration of vertical and horizontal elements, the thoughtfully selected material palette, and the establishment of a strong connection between the interior and exterior spaces make this residence a truly remarkable achievement.